Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Uminti ke sanat kampo iyeng ke sarkar jelo pa preston tensong ulong bo ula prusang geli nigi para politician lagi dan ne be Ithuh yo tu Briew buan daki kali remdor Hajan Secretariat harengkat kenang pahara bat ki Airgun kibo ula thep hapo nde ulong bo omdan be Ithuh satya yo tu Briew ba ulong ru bo omtip nangnu mi kata kentin bo du Briew bemut banyale election Shushu ulong bola hukum miki pulet bekim de ben ailat ben penan kam miki kali ta yet yong lani ben penan kam siren deki Briew kibam yai kat kum kendon an jong ka sarkar.
Why we have to pick up this fellow? It's because of that only. And now I have given the instruction, not only today, but we have given the instruction to the police headquarters as well as to all the SPs to again go all out to see people who illegally use, be it black tinted glasses or be it the siren or be it anything which is not as per the prescribed regulation of the government.
So, in fact, planning to contest an election. So,
I still don't believe to that statement. I don't know from where did you get that source. I was also trying to ask my colleague, even Politishian, whether you are close to this man or not. But nobody knows at all. So therefore, don't just again come to a conclusion with that statement made by anybody. I don't know. But what I'm trying to tell you is, no matter what, whether you are close with A or B or C or D who is in power, but you have to go as per the prescribed norms, as per the prescribed rules.